4 to the power 2 equals 16. 2 times 4 equals 8. 40 divided by 8 equals 5, and 16 plus 5 equals 21. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have three operators present: addition, division and multiplication. But if you notice, we also have exponents present here, and according to the rules, exponents has higher priority over multiplication or division or addition. So we need to solve this part first. So 4 to the power 2, that gives us 16. Our expression simplifies to 16 plus 40 divided by 2 times 4. Now we are left with three operators: addition, division and multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have higher priority over addition. They also have equal level of priority, but we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that is on the left side of the multiplication. 40 divided by 2, that gives us 20. Our expression becomes 16 plus 20 times 4. Now we have addition and multiplication present in our expression, and according to the rules, multiplication has higher priority. So we need to solve this. 20 times 4, that gives us 80. And finally, 16 plus 80 equals 96, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.